What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, I'll be giving you guys a makeup tutorial. So I briefly forgot that my channel is also a beauty channel and I've not done a makeup tutorial in a very long time. So today I decided to give you guys a little makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I transform myself from this to that, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off by using my Flawless Ivy foundation and the Maybelline foundation in the shade 340. I mixed both of them together. I love mixing them together. And I'm so sorry guys, the lighting in this video is trash. Like, the weather is always acting up every single day, it's raining every single day, and I can't even create content. So I had to make this video just like that. So I hope you guys don't mind and watch this video. So I'm done with my foundation and I'm setting my face with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm using this Morphe eyeshadow palette. I can't remember the particular one. Dipped into the darkest shade there, and I also used my Zaron eyeliner in the black shade to line my waterline. And this is also the Maybelline powder. This is the shade Cocoa or Cacao. I don't know how to pronounce it best. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.